That's the Connor Pass down there. It's busy enough for 20 past 9 o'clock in the morning, 20 past 9 in the morning. Yeah, we're doing a bit of a cheat start today. Now we're starting about 400 meters, so we're not we're not starting from sea level. It's been a few weeks since I've been out because of the weather, and so fitness is after dropping a small bit. But yeah, we're just standing here at the top of the Connor Pass. We're going to go up to do the plateau above. There's a few small peaks. We'll see how we go with it. Yeah, see, look, there's another. I've done it before, but there's another lovely place. I've no video of it, but there's a cracking little walk. Over the back there is the old Brandon Range. I heard there's a bit of land for sale down here as well, so I said I'd come down and give a look, you know, see if it's worth my money. So we're going up there. It is right nice. The heather is out and it is wet, but it's not swampy, so it is fine. And there's a very faint path coming up as well, so it makes it a lot easier. But now we're coming up we're not near the top of Slieveney yet, but we're looking down here into Peddler's Lake. You can see the car park down there. That's where everyone stops, and the small waterfall. I'll try and point it out there. You can see the whole road coming up. That's not the bad part of the Connor Pass now. It gets bad after that. We'll see it later on. But yeah, that's Peddler's Lake. And where we're going then is over there to the far point. That's Bin na Naomh. You'd have heard the name before. So I've actually never gone up to it from the car park below there. Just always drove past it. I've only ever seen it from up here or from over in Brandon over. I've never actually stood beside it. Anyway, we'll keep going. We're on the top of Slieveney Northeast. It's what it's called in the OSI map, but Bin na Naomh is what I'm going to call it from now on, because that's what it says in east-west. Hopefully it is right. But yeah, that's the little stone marker there. I mean, you're coming over here then, looking out west. I just had to hide there for a few minutes because there was a half a shower going to nail me, but it never materialised. But then you're looking up back this way then. You're going the whole way back out to Brandon. We're getting a bit of a rainbow. It's the second rainbow we've had without getting drenched, so that's good. intentionally looking this way, looking west. So we'll come up here now a small bit, looking back up the peninsula. So that's looking at the Brandon Range and everything there. It's pretty, oh Jesus. So like people, yeah, oh, we're getting sunshine and everything here. So you'd have seen in one of my last videos, the last proper video, Loch of Doon is down here. We can't see the whole lot now, but we can see the waterfall. But when you whip around here then, you get this. That's the waterfall obviously at Loch of Doon. And Sterrakeen is just in front of us here. And do you remember when we were standing in the bottom and I was able to point out Sterrakeen, how it looked like a very imposing little point? Like you'd hardly notice there from here, but when you are down near the lakes as well looking, it's very distinctive. There's a big triangle, big pyramid. But then you've Slieve na Gabhar, and then over off in the distance, just tipping the cloud, kissing the cloud, that's Beena Tour. So that's the Glenhoe Macnaboe Valley up that way. So I hope now this is making sense to people, because like I said, it's all the same area, but there's just so many different walks down here. That's spectacular there, like. And tis brilliant, because coming from the Conor Pass car park, it's a cheat. You're knocking 400 meters off climbing. It's still a good height, like. And if I do all of what I'm thinking I might do, it's even longer again, but we'll see. So obviously my real reason for coming out here today was to survey the land around the Conor Pass there, just to see what it was like. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it so far, so I think I'll take it, you know. Nah, there was a big news story during the week here, and the guy that owns the land here from the Conor Pass all the way down to, I'd say, there's 400 acres of forestry, so that's being included as well, and all the side of the hill here was going up for sale. Made a big news story over here, but the Conor Pass, I'll point it out there, just over there. So all these cliffs and everything. 10 million, bargain. I think I have clips taken on the other camera, I'll put them up now. But the road there just coming up to the top of the Conor Pass, Jesus, it's just a constant car park. I'm looking at it there now, 1, 2, 3. There's about 15 or 16 cars just that I can see. I'd say there's more around the bend. Just kind of waiting, you know. It's crazy stuff. I'm glad when I came up it earlier that it was early enough and met nobody. But yeah, that just looks like a nightmare at the moment. Anyway, you can see Crokescaird over there at the point. So we get over to there anyway and figure out the rest of it then. It's fine walking, it's so quiet. I'd have expected with the car park as busy as what it was, there might have been 1 or 2 other people up here. But I'm seeing nobody in the hills or anything. And locally there could be loads over at Beena and stuff. But yeah, the sun is after coming out now as well. And it is after turning into a lot warmer day, which is lovely. So it is. So yeah, we're going to head off up to Knapp-on-Moor there. You can just see the cross. There shouldn't be too long anyway. Alright. I think I'm going to get to where I was planning on getting to at all. I was going to go to Knapp-on-Moor, but looking here, I think I might have done a time lapse. This is like the land the time forgot. It is ridiculous. So they're the Coominaire Lakes. The first one here is Loch Anahoe, the middle one is Loch Mannock. And we can't see it, but just around the corner there's Loch Dhu. And that looks like it's the biggest lake of them. I'm using my maps again. Right, I suppose I better get some sort of move on. I can't just stay here looking at the bloody things all day. What can you do? What can you say? There's much can be said. So this is Knappon Moor. Now it is 648 metres. It's also called Ballysheever Mountain. So we come across here then. That's Croagh Skerda, the original one I was aiming to go for. and I sidetracked myself. And you're looking off then, you probably can't see it in this camera, but the Skelligs are way off out in the corner there. That's the Ivory Peninsula. And if you look up here then there's Glen Bay, Ross Bay, Inch Beach. You can see the edge of Inch Beach. Right, we'll see about heading down now to Croagh Skerda, although as I'm looking at it here now, I'm not too minded to do it, to be honest. To be afraid not to go to it after talking about it. Yeah, we'll get there. So up here now in Struceen, as I found out is the correct name, not Croagh Skerda. You can just see a gentleman walking over there. I'd say we were chatting for a good half an hour, 2 hours an hour. A local guy. Great chat, Jesus Christ. I think I was just saying a few minutes ago I hadn't met anyone all day. Then to meet him completely randomly up here and had a fantastic chat about it. Just brilliant. Yeah, so you can see where we came from. Knappon Moor. You see Knocknabenog and Knockmillan as well. You can see Brickany and the Slieve Mish heading up as well. And then when we look out this way, you can see the same again. You can see Mount Eagle and a few of the Blaskets. And that's Dingle down there, then down the bottom. I'm going to head back straight from here. That's the main plan anyway, back to the pass, the Connor Pass, and work our way through the thing. Cool. Yeah. I presume I'll finish up when I go back to the pass itself, but there could be a lot of people there, so I'm not too sure I'll be talking there. Yeah, I think I might finish here actually. We'll head away. Thanks again for watching. Sure, we might see you guys in the next one. Good luck. This is Knappon. So this is Knappon Moor. I'm talking an awful lot of nonsense.